All right, so if you can see, this is mock exam paper. All right, so the first question, let me just quickly look at your answers. Okay, I don't think it's too difficult, right? So the first question seems to be okay. Number 1, number 2, number 3 seems to be okay. Number 4, also okay. Question 5, only question 5, because question 5 is the one that you all made a lot of error. So I'm going to quickly run through. Can you respond accordingly as fast as possible? Just now, my P6, they actually were so responsive. We finished all the questions and we had 15 minutes to play. 15 minutes is a lot, so let's aim for it. Okay, now, so we have this particular flow chart. Characteristics of 4 different groups of animals are shown here. So do you think you can answer this? This one, no problem. Answer is A, yes. Okay, so first question, answer is A, very straightforward. Okay, E, does it have gills? Yes, for the fish. Yep, so it tallies, right? Does it have feathers? Yes, birds. Okay, Ken, let's go on. Now, 3 identical pieces of cloth, X, Y, and Z are soaked with the same amount. Yeah, so fast, you're key in the answer. Okay, good. So if you take a look, right, of course, Z will dry the fastest, and then the slowest is going to be Y, correct? Now, so how do I do this? I usually look for the fastest and the slowest, then immediately I get the answer. Are y'all doing that? If you are doing the same thing as me, you should be able to get the answer. Those of you who got it wrong, okay, I think it was a careless mistake. Okay, let me know if it was a careless mistake earlier. Okay, just let me know. Type into the chat to let me know that, yeah, you understand. Yep, thank you so much. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, so we check for the fastest because this is at 33 degrees, right? But then, okay, there is more surface area or greater surface area for water to evaporate. Correct or not? Okay, and then Y is actually the slowest because, okay, surface area is lower, so less surface area, and then temperature is also lower. Lower temperature. Okay. The hotter it is, the faster the material gets dry. Yep, correct, Evan. I like how you all are keying in this. Question 3. Let's see. Nobody got this wrong. Can I skip this? Can? Yeah, let's skip this. But do you all know the concept quickly? Tell me, what is this testing you on? What topic do you think this is testing you on? Let's see whether you know. Yeah, very good. You see, heat and temperature, then straight away Evan say is about the contraction and expansion. Well done. So expansion, contraction, if these glasses are stuck together, okay, the very clever thing to do is to put ice water here or ice cubes here, okay, and then you can submerge the outer cup in hot water or warm water. Agree or not? Okay, so this will lead to expansion, okay, in cup B, and then, or glass B, and then contraction in glass A. So you cause that kind of separation to happen. Yes, very good. Thank you, Gordon. Okay, so what's the answer over here? Answer is C. Okay, C. Now, the following setup was used to measure amount of light passing through material Y. So you have a graph drawn using the results recorded. What could variable X most likely be? Okay, so you have this variable X increasing, then amount of light passing through Y also increases. So could it be the thickness of material Y? Could it be? Cannot be, right? Okay, can it be the number of bulbs in series? Does it really matter? Number of bulbs in series? Okay, not exactly, because they are sharing the same amount of current. The brightness will eventually add up to be the same. Number of batteries in the circuit, yes. If I put in more batteries, the bulb will light up more brightly, correct? So can it be the distance? Distance between material, if the distance between this and the light sensor gets bigger, it is more difficult. It is more difficult, right, to detect the light. Okay, so not true for this one. So question 4, obviously, it has to be C. Next one. Question 5. Kim actually placed a well-watered potted plant into a cardboard box. Okay, she placed the whole setup under the sun. So what do you observe here? The cardboard box, it's like the whole thing is enclosed, right? So which of the following correctly shows the changes in amount of gases inside the cardboard box after a few hours? After a few hours. Okay, tell me, do you think there is light passing through the cardboard? Is there possible to be, is it possible to have some light to go in? Some say yes, some say no. Okay, when you are shown this as a cardboard box, there will be darkness. Okay, there is no space, there is no, you will assume it to be darkness. I know Emma in real life still got a tiny little bit, right? Because of the corners here and there, where the cardboard is folded and joined. But in science question, we take it to be darkness, Ken? You know what is happening in daily life. Smart, okay? Yeah. If you're careless, yes, it's definitely because you didn't see this word. The moment I underline this, you know what I'm talking about, right? So it will be darkness inside. So when there's darkness, what happened to the plant? Okay, what kind of processes will the plant take part in? What kind of processes? Can there be photosynthesis? Correct. You are right. Okay. Yeah. So I see you're responding. Good. I told you all need to respond, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, there's no photosynthesis, so no food made for the plant. And when there's no photosynthesis, there's no oxygen being produced, right? So Evan told me something here. He thought that where the light was pointing, there was a hole, but there wasn't any. If there's a hole, they will indicate that there's a hole somewhere. Clear? Okay, yeah, be careful. They are tricking you. They purposely put the light source there to see whether you are careful enough. So don't be tricked. You have been tricked. You didn't look at the picture properly. Yeah, good. So there's darkness. So no photosynthesis, no oxygen. So the plant can only take part in respiration, right? Okay. So during respiration, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide will increase, oxygen will decrease. What is our answer now? Okay, increase, increase, decrease, decrease. What about water vapor? This is the tough part. Will there be any increase or decrease or stay the same? Okay, of course, they only told you either stay the same or increase, right? What do you all think? Increase. Hongyu, yes, you're right. Rachel, you're right. It'll be increase because, the stomata will be where the water vapor escape from the plant. Very good. Okay. All right. So that's why our answer is C. You all get it now, Okay, good. Yeah. But those of you who got it wrong, you seem to be choosing varied answers. Yeah, varied answers. Okay, next. Andy wanted to compare the shadows cast by objects X and Y. So we have object X and Y. Okay, take note. You have to understand these are the two objects and that is the setup. Two separate pictures. So he placed the object between the light source and a screen and then drew various shadows that were formed as he rotated the object in different positions. Some of the shadows formed by the two objects were shown here, okay? Which of these shadows could be seen for both objects X and Y. Can it be A? A, definitely not, right? Yeah, Gordon says no. I can see your face. Okay, because for object Y, look at how this object is formed. It's like it's a cup without the handle, right? So this definitely not. Can it be B? Yeah, can it be B? Of course, it can be B. Can it be C? C here shows the handle, so no. And then D, possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Yeah, smart. Okay, I wanted to test your la and your are sharp. Okay, so answer is B only. So those of you who got it wrong, I hope you understand now. Yeah, that's the top view. Top view one, this will be how object X look like. This will be how object Y look like. Yes, correct. You're right, Evan. Okay, so let's go on to the next question. Question 7. Now, Betty conducted an experiment to find out if the size of leaves affects the amount of oxygen given out during photosynthesis. She had 3 different setups. She measured the amount of oxygen in each setup for 1 minute. Okay, so her friend said the experiment is not fair. Okay, why? Why is her experiment not fair? Okay, is it because the size of leaves that are used are different? Or is it because of the different number of leaves that are used? Different types of water plant? Then different amount of oxygen collected. Okay, different amount of oxygen collected is the results, right? So this is not something that will be the same for all. It will differ. So you all got the answer correct, actually. Let me see. I think, is it that everybody got it right? Oh, Timothy, you got it wrong, Timothy. What do you choose? You chose A, C, and D, Timothy. Let's see. Let's see, you chose different size of leaves used, but this is what we want to find out, you know. So we must use different size of leaves, right? Timothy, where are you? I must find the 2 faces in the screen. Oh, your friend gone. Suddenly your friend gone. Huh? So this cannot be one of it. So we already crossed out option A and D, right? So we are left with B and C. So different number of leaves used. Of course, this is going to affect only one variable to be changed, right? And that's the size of leaves. This one also is the one that will cause the unfair experiment. So it's answer C. Timothy, you got it now? Yes or no? Careless, right? Tell me the truth. Do you read the question properly? You sure or not? I don't think so, you know. Because if you have read the question properly, you would have read this part here. Okay, Felix is here. Hold on, I let him come in. Okay, we finish our MCQ. Okay, very good. We are very fast today. 20 minutes, we finish 7 MCQ. Now let's look at question 8 now. I will give you a break at around 8 o'clock. Is it okay? Around 8 o'clock. Okay, so let's try to do more. Now, Zoe immersed a cell in a solution with substances X, Y, and Z. After some time, she found the substances at different parts of the cells as shown below. So from the diagram above, can you identify cell part A and cell part B? Okay, can you identify? All right, well, Hong Yu, you are annotating. Okay, you're trying out, right? Okay, so I can see Kenny's typing in. So Kenny's, yeah, you type.
I did it on accident.
That's okay, no problem. No problem. Do you know how to remove it? Yeah.
I want to try. Yeah.
You don't know how? Okay, let me help you, okay?
Okay, thanks.
So I go to annotate and I clear all drawings, right? Okay, done. Okay, don't worry. Sometimes we are just trying out certain things and it can happen. But let me just disable first, okay? See, many people already put in your answers. Very good. Now,